So one of the things that you can do while you're working with Microsoft Project is start up with a blank project right here. But if you want to quickly get started with different projects, then what you can also do is use something called templates. So if I were to go around onto file right here and onto new, then instead of a blank project, you can also see that there are many different templates to choose from right over here. So let me just go around and close this right here and go to home. And even from the home section, you can see that there are templates that you see over here. So you can click on one of these templates, or you can click on more templates right here, and you can find out more templates right here. So let's say, for example, you want to search for a template related to software right here, and I'm going to press enter. And what happens is that it searches for different templates right here. Let me just go back, and over here you can see that you can also go around and bring in different schedules right here. So let's say I want to go around and use this template right here, that is create a budget template. So you can go around and click right here, and then you can see the preview of this particular template. You can go around and change out the preview right here as well and access different templates by using this arrow as well. But you can go around and select out the start date that you want and click on create button. And what happens is that the template is downloaded from the server, and there you go. You have all of the data right here. And then what you can do is you can go around and change out the task name and so forth from over here. So that is how you can utilize our templates inside of Microsoft Project to quickly get started with task management. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.